Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Now we see the project a secure and privacy preserving opportunity computing for healthcare. This is based on data mining domain. Now see the project. Healthcare organization collect large amount of data about their patients. Such data was used for record keeping. Data mining can extract valuable knowledge from this data. Healthcare organization can obtain better results by pooling their data together. However, the collected data may contain sensitive or private information about the organizations or their patients, and privacy concerns are exacerbated if data is shared between multiple organizations. Distributed data mining is concerned with the computation of model from data that is distributed among multiple participants. Privacy preserving distributed data mining seeks to allow for the cooperative computation of such model without the cooperating parties revealing any of the individual data items. Our project makes two contributions in privacy preserving data mining. First, we introduce the concept of arbitrarily partial data, which is generalized of both horizontal and vertical partition data. Second, we provide a efficient privacy preserving protocol for k-means clustering in setting of arbitrarily partitioned data. Privacy preserving distributed data mining allows the cooperative computation of data mining algorithms which require the participant organization to reveal their individual data item to each other. We present a simple I/O efficient k-cluster algorithm that was designed with goal of enabling a privacy preserving version of the algorithm. Now we see the flow for a secure and privacy preserving opportunity computing for healthcare. The flow diagram. First, user have to register. Then register means the admin, which is already created by the system. Then admin can log in into the system. If the credential is valid, means the next operation is proceeded, or else it exited from the system. The valid user means he can add users like patient details for each and every patient details, or upload the data set which is given by the doctors, the bulk data which is more than hundreds and some counts data is uploaded into the system. Then form clusters according to the data like doctor names and the disease type and disease stages and age, then genders. The cluster is collected and then cluster is formed using k-means algorithm, finding the centroid value, then form the clusters. Then the cluster data is applying privacy. Applying privacy means just encrypt the data which is invisible from the other data mining users. It will show in encrypted format. After encryption, the data is stored in another data mining places. Just run the project. The project is started here, and just click admin login, which we have already created by the admin. Password here, login. The admin can add individual data for the dataset, like individual patients one by one, or else he can upload a data bulkly using dataset. Choose a file. This is dataset file. Then upload it. These are the data which is in the dataset. Then load into database. The file is stored in the database. Then cluster formation. According to the dataset, there are various clusters available, like clustering using disease, doctors, genders. Let me see the disease, the cancer, These are list of cancer patients, the patient details and doctor details. Again form. Now form cluster using doctor. Select a doctor here. These are list of patients which is under the doctor. Again cluster using gender. Now click male. These are list of male patients in the data. Like that we can also form using disease stage and treatments. Now clustering data. The collected data is clustered total number of patients and number of diseases. Like that these are various clusters. Now we find a centroid value for it, then separating a frequency data. These are the frequently used data. Now cluster collection. The cluster is collected. Gender clusters to stage clusters. Like that we form various clusters. These are stored in separate file and separate database. Then privacy, we can apply the privacy. These are original data here. Now we are applying privacy. These are important unwanted data to third persons. After applying privacy, data is done. Original data is encrypted here. Then if you want to see the data means just click decrypt. These are the original data here. After decrypting the encrypted data, now click admin can using clusters. Then comparison tab. These are three types of system. Here we applied K-means algorithm, which is better than the previous a priori and association rule algorithm. Now for doctors, he can able to give permissions to access the details of him when he is absent. These are the patients under him. Then permission, he can give permission to list of junior doctors. I give permission list. The permission is added to the junior doctor. He can revoke permission also. The permission cancelled. Now this only permission granted. Log out here. Junior doctor. Doctor. These are the senior doctor's patients. The doctor name and his phone number. The patient details. Senior doctor can see the old patient history. For reference, for cancer and stage, the doctor give this treatment for this patient. Like that we can see any kind of diseases. That's all.